body, and somehow I pushed the button. So here we are. Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel. My hair was bugging me, so I kind of pulled it back. And it is what is it. My hair looks so shiny. Look how cute good that looks. Whatever. I just like straightened it out. I wasn't like in the mood to like do anything fancy. It's a super beautifully gloomy rainy day and I'm like obsessed. I have so much adulting to do these next few days. I literally need to go get tires on my car today. I need to run to the grocery store. Well, it's like not a need, it's more of a want. Like I really want to get more stuff for smoothies because we are running out, and I've been kind of like obsessed with this smoothie. I do want to try it with blueberries because I'm really just not gonna do the banana again. And I did realize last time I made it, I forgot to put an apple in it, and it did taste a little funky. But I don't like this angle. It makes my head look bigger than what it is. Please hold. Let's see. Oh, that's better. Oh, okay. Hey, that's so much better. How about that? Okay, that's so much better. Anyways, so I am... What am I doing? About to do makeup. I don't know what's happening up here, but you know what? Getting it together. I am going to just throw on some makeup, not anything too crazy, just something so I look alive and, you know, I'm not something to where I look alive and don't look like a troll. But I am waiting for Ellie so we can go get tires together. She's so cute. She was literally like, oh my god, you have to get tires too. She's like, let's just wait till I get off work and like let's go together and have like a tire date. And I was like, you're so cute. So I'm gonna wait for her and go get tires, but in the meantime I'm just gonna put some makeup on. And yeah, I mean pretty much I don't have anything planned up until that point, but whatever. While I do my makeup, I'm just watching YouTube, and I found this girl. Her name is Molly Bailey, and she's actually so cute. Like I watched like 2 of her videos, and then I just subscribed to both of her channels. I was like, she's really cute. Like normally I have like the same handful of like YouTubers that I watch, and it's like I don't really like branch out or watch anybody new unless I'm looking for like a specific video. But like this girl just like popped up on like my homepage, and I just like been watching her videos, like kind of like binge watching her videos ever since. She's so cute. All of you guys, like all like 10 of you guys, should like definitely go like follow her and like subscribe. Like she's so cute. Anyways, enough babbling. Let's just, you know, I guess do some makeup. Like an hour later, finally got some tires on one car.
They be playing hella games. He told me he's gonna fucking call me.
Yeah, the guy was like, why am I out of breath?
I'm so out of fucking breath. So I stopped talking.
The guy was like, oh, we can do like one car now, one car at 6 o'clock, and we both looked at each other like, no. So then he was like, okay, well, we'll just do one at a time. And I'm like, why would you even offer like hours apart if you're gonna be like, okay, never mind, we can do it? But then he ended up, it smells like chocolate.
Oh god. All I know is I need something to wake up.
Wait, is this normal? I don't remember it popping open.
Yeah, I've never had one before. But you know how frappuccinos pop open?
It has that.
It's fucking Walmart. It's Walmart. What do you expect?
But yeah, so we walk out here. My car's still like on the side, like where the tire place is, and then her car's sitting there just like chilling. He never called us once. My car still hasn't got fucking tires on it.
I know, like, are they on fucking break or what?
And then there's literally nobody around to like.
See, mine popped.
See, I think mine's tampered with.
Oh well, bitch. Maybe you'll get sick and throw it up.
Maybe I'll lose some weight. And then literally, I've never had this. It's a Starbucks cold brew. I'm hoping it's good. And then I normally don't drink creamer, but Ellie got some creamer, so we're finna see if this shit's good.
Well, if I would have had my fucking Cinnamon Toast Crunch, bitch, this has been like mom.com. I was gonna go to Starbucks. Yeah, like damn near filled it up.
I'm just really scared now because this really didn't pop open.
Well, you know what, Jasmine? Like I said, you'll be fine.
If I lose some, if I throw up, it's fine.
But like, don't do it when like you're in the car with me, because like I can't handle that shit.
Okay, yeah.
I can do like anything, like, you know, I work doing some crazy shit, but like doing. Ow! I seen this thing on TikTok where you go like this and it opens. It never works for me. Last time I did this.
Oh, I seen that.
Okay.
Fuck! Can you be careful? I feel like you're gonna like get it all over you.
I know. That's why we're just gonna do it this way. Bruh. Can you open this?
Yeah. It's actually pretty good. It tastes like candy.
I feel like this one's... Actually, I've never tried this flavor, so I can't say.
You know, like those random caramels that like people have at the bottom of their purses and you never know where they come from? That's what it tastes like.
Okay, people nowadays don't do that, but yeah, maybe like 20 years ago.
I remember my dad's mom used to do that. Like have like random, like Mary Poppins random shit in her fucking purse. Or candies. And she used to try to give it to us and I'd be like, no thanks. My mom would be like, don't be rude. And I'm like, that's rude for her to give it to me.
You know what's better though? My mom literally used to give me candy without the fucking wrapper on it. I was like, Mom, where'd you find that? And she's like, it's in my purse. And I was like, well, where's the wrapper? She's like, you don't need a fucking wrapper. I know I don't need the wrapper, but I'm just saying,
you don't give somebody unwrapped candy. Is it good?
Yeah, I just put a tiny bit. It's actually really, it's almost like, well, you didn't fucking stir it up, stupid.
Well, I couldn't put anything in there. 1, 2, 3.
Honestly, have you ever bought the Starbucks, the ones that has like the Starbucks iced coffee? I feel like all the iced coffee Starbucks taste the fucking same. Did you stir it up? I feel like you put more in yours than me, and you never do.
I couldn't put anything in there because it was already at the top. Oh, that's better now. Literally, I haven't ate all day and I'm so fucking hungry.
Oh, fuck yeah, I'm gonna eat these chips.
Today's snack of the day, caramel rice crisps. Have you heard that commercial? I forget what it is, but she goes, pss, pss, pss. Like she's saying like crisp or whatever. She goes, crisps, pss, pss.
No.
Like you don't need to like put so much emphasis on the S. Just say crisps and like leave it at that.
Yeah, I don't know, Jazz.
Crystal hates that commercial. She's like, why is this coming on? I'm like, I don't.
Everyone always talks about commercials, but I generally never watch TV, so I don't fucking even know what anyone's talking about.
Even when you watch TV, you don't really pay attention. Because you're like doing homework or something. Okay, well, I guess we're going to sit here and eat. Wait for him to call us. Hopefully switch out cars and then go your taxes.
Oh. I had to call my mom said, hey, Mija, didn't know I didn't pay my phone bill. You can call me now.
She sounds like me.
No, I tried to call her earlier and her phone was off, so then I had to FaceTime her on Messenger on Facebook because that's the only way we could talk. So I was like, Mom, your phone's off. She's like, that's why my calls weren't working. I was like, you not realize nobody called you today? And she's like, no. It was literally like 1 o'clock. I was like, what are you doing? She's like, oh, I'm having my late brunch. I'm like, so you just woke up? What's going on, bro?
Okay, we're gonna eat, see if we can find anybody and hopefully switch out cars. If not, then I'm gonna take her and then come back and switch cars. You mean grumpy guy?
He was like,
he was so grumpy. And Ellie was like, guess what he gave me? I was like, his number? She goes, does he deserve to give me his number?
For real, like, look at him and look at me. No.
He was so grumpy.
Wait,
like,
he's on the phone. Hold on. Hello. Okay, thank you. I'm coming right. I'm in the parking lot. I'm coming.
Oh, I hate
All right. Okay, bye. Oh, we can do yours.
Okay, we're gonna go switch cars. Okay, we'll see you in a minute.
Hi guys, it is a little bit later. I wanted to pop on here and like give you guys a quick little haul, like literally a quick little haul of like what I did pick up today. I'm not feeling good. I've literally been like laying here with like my pillow and heating pad on the floor. It is that time of the month. I don't feel good, so but I did want to do a little haul for you guys, so to show you guys what I picked up today. So let's get into the haul. Okay. Bag number 1 of what I got at Walmart. I already showed you guys these. They are caramel Rice Crisp. If they're a little too sweet, but you just have a handful and be like go on your merry little way. Shower liner. Nothing fancy there. You need to switch it out every few months. Green tea. My cold brew coffee you guys already seen. And lavender essential oils. And then bag number 2 of loofah. Stay clean. My favorite drugstore dry shampoo is Batiste Original. Ellie kept telling me to get the tropical because it smells good, but I'm not in the mood to explore, and I know for sure this one definitely works for me. So I got some more of that. I got some setting powder. Hands down, I swear by this I swear by this setting powder. My cousin got me on this one years ago. Hands down my favorite one. Like I do have a few other ones that I use like, you know, every now and then, but like for everyday, like need my makeup to last, like I need to be that bitch, like this is my shit. This is CoverGirl Clean Professional Translucent Medium number 115. My favorite. Swear by that. I got e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. I've been wanting to try this. This was literally the last one, so I picked it up. It was already open. I didn't destroy that box like that, but when I opened it, it looked clean, like it wasn't touched. So I was like, okay, I'll try it. You know, wipe down with alcohol first just to be safe. But I want to try. I'll try this one tomorrow. Let you guys know my thoughts. Q-tips, nothing fancy. Some lotion, hands down favorite lotion. Been using this one for years and years. And then lastly, I picked up some more body wash. Store brand, nothing fancy. I wasn't gonna spend like $10 for like Dove when this is the same thing, cheaper. So got that, and that's all I caught besides some tires today. And with that being said, I'm gonna go wash my face and put my diffuser on, and I will see you guys in the morning.